Former president of the Kato Katamnao Long, or KKL, also known as the Kato Students' Union, Mashungmi Zingkai, has alleged that members of the Tangkhul Naga community are being assaulted in Manipur Sukhrul district, particularly in the Litan area. He claimed that this is not an isolated incident and accused members of the Kuki community of carrying out the attacks. Zingkai further stated that the Indian Army has been deployed in regions but expressed uncertainty over whether security forces will be able to effectively control the situation and restore peace.
Actually, it happened 2 days before, no? So, yeah, maybe this kind of incident, assault, especially to Tangkhul Naga people, especially in this Litan area. This is not the first incident also. This Kuki, especially this Litan Kuki, Chepu or Chepu Kuki, they keep assaulting our people, especially our Tangkhul Naga people, most of the time. This is not the first incident. So last year also, if I didn't forget, I think it was in 28 June 2025. During that year also, few of our people was assaulted by this Kuki people. Our winger driver who was driving towards Ukhrul, no? So they were assaulted by few Kukis. And this incident, I think, 2 of our community people was assaulted by Kuki guys. So because of that, this incident happened. Actually, previous year also, we had an agreement with them, because that time also, this kind of assault happened to our people, for which we came to an agreement that they should not continue this kind of assault to our people again. Because this is not the first time, neither the second time. It happened for many times. That's why last year also we have an agreement that they won't continue this kind of activities or this kind of act to our people. They have promised us. We also have a resolution. We all come together. Okay. And again, the resolution has broke, I should say. Now, in that resolution, what we took was, they said if such assault happened to our people, especially to our Naga people in this area, we will not compromise.
What is the current situation as of now?
Right now, as you see, the crowds are here. Many crowds are here protesting. At the same time, you can see lots of Indian Army also here. So right now, like, I don't know whether it will able to this, especially the Indian Army and all, or whoever troops has come here, whether they will able to bring normalcy or not, I'm not sure. But right now I cannot say anything what will happen, because from our side also we are also doing best what we can to bring peace, but we are not sure. I cannot guarantee at the same time.